myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss function returning a pointer. Okay, so we discuss what is actually a pointer and what it actually stores. Now there is a function which is actually returning pointer value. Whether it is feasible or not, let us discuss it. So, pointers in C programming language is a variable which is used to store the memory address of another variable. We can pass pointers to the function as well as return pointer from a function. So we can also pass the pointers to the function and also we return pointer from a function. But it is not recommended to return the address of a local variable outside the function as it goes out of scope after function return. Okay, so why it is not recommended? Because it is out of scope. So first let us see what happen if we do the same thing, that the variable is local and we are passing address or returning address outside that function. Okay, so first of all let us discuss it. So we start our turbo C for writing the program. Let us write in this one. Okay, so we do not need to write all this header file again. Okay, so first but obviously include our header file. Now what we do, we declare one function. Okay, so now integer is a data type of returning any value from the function. Now if function returning pointer, then we have to write asterisk sign here. Okay, now the name of the function, say fun, and what we do. So what we do actually here, we are passing a address of variable to the another function. Okay, so first we declare one variable and initialize it by value 10, and now we returning the address of that that variable to the another function. So here we write return ampersand of a, and the ampersand means the address of variable. Now we are declaring our main function. Okay, so now here we write one pointer variable, means declare one pointer variable which is integer p, and then the assign value of function to that pointer variable. Okay, means that value returning from function is assigned to the variable p, which is pointer variable, and now we are printing that value. Okay, so we are just printing the address of that variable and the value which is assigned to that variable, that is also printing using pointer. So first we write address and now we are printing that value. For that we write simply percentage %d. For pointer we write percentage %p, and we simply write the variable p. Okay, so when you are using a point address of that pointer variable, you can write simply percentage %p. So and for value, all of you know we must have to write percentage %d, and here we write asterisk p. Okay, so this simply give us the value of that variable, and now we complete our program and let us compile it. Let us check whether it is any error or not. So we compile our program. Okay, one error, which is because we not write return properly, so we just correct it. Okay, so return, and now again we compile our program. Okay, and now we run our program. So what happened, that the address of variable is given but that value is not correct. because the variable a is declared in the function which name is fun, but that is a local variable. That address we cannot access outside that function. But in this case, we are accessing the address outside the function. So this is the problem of out of scope. Okay, so this is the problem of out of scope of variable. We cannot use address of that variable which is not declared inside main. Now what we can do? Anyway, we have to just access the address of that variable. For that we can use one keyword which is static. So now we declaring our variable by static integer a. We simply change the variable name by capital A, and then we can use the address of that variable. Now let us compile our program and let us check it what will happen. Okay, so we are simply printing the address of it and the value of that capital A variable. There is no change in main function. Now compile it and now run our program. Okay, so the output is there of address and 10, but for remove the previous output we simply write CLRSCR. Okay, so it will remove the output of previous one, and we compile and run our program again. So it will give the address of the variable a and the value of variable a, just because we are using static keyword. So using static keyword you can declare your variable, and that address of that variable you can use outside that function. Okay, so this is the concept of function returning a pointer, in which you cannot directly return address of variable which is not declared in main function. So for that we have to use static keyword, and using static keyword there is no problem of out of scope. So static keyword gives us facility to access the address of variable outside the function, outside the local function. Okay, here fun is the function in which we are declaring a variable a, and the main function in which there is no declaration of variable a and we are accessing the address of that variable. Okay, so this is the concept of function returning a pointer. Okay, I hope all of you enjoy it. Thank you.